Greetings everyone. I am Ilamurugan, student of Adithya School of Business Management. Today I am going to talk about Tesla company that has revolutionized the energy, automotive and energy industry. Founded in 2003, Tesla was created with a bold vision to accelerate the world transition to sustainable energy. Over the years, Tesla not just been a car manufacturer but also a leader in innovation and sustainability and technology. Tesla was founded by Martin and Mark, but it is Elon Musk who joined as an early investor who became the face of the company. Musk's ambition, vision and leadership transformed Tesla into what it is today. The name Tesla plays a homology to Tesla, the brilliant investor known for his contribution to electricity and engineering. Tesla's journey begins with Tesla Roadster, launched in 2008. This was the first electric sports car proved EV could be fast, stylish and environmental friendly. It shattered that everyone electric vehicles were slow and unattractive. Tesla's major achievement. Tesla is known for its groundbreaking innovation, particularly in three areas. First, electrical vehicles. Tesla's lineups includes Model S, Model 3, Model X and Model Y, often abbreviated as S3XY. These cars are celebrated for their incredible range, high performance and advanced technology, such as autopilot, Tesla's semi-automatic driving system. The Model 3, Tesla's most affordable car, became the best-selling EV globally, making sustainable transportation more accessible. Second, energy solution. Tesla isn't just about cars. It's made significant contribute to renewable energy with products like Powerwall, a battery system for homes, solar roof, which turns rooftop into energy generation. This innovation align with Tesla's mission of the reducing dependency on fossil fuels. Third, manufacturing and technology. Tesla has introduced state-of-art manufacturing process, including massive facilities that produce batteries and vehicles at scale. These factors plays a crucial role at lowering costs and increasing availability of EV worldwide. Global impact. Tesla impact extends beyond its products. The company has inspired towards electric mobility across automotive industries. Major manufacturers like Ford, GM and Volkswagen are now investing heavily into EV to compete with Tesla. Tesla has also demonstrated that sustainability and profitability can also in hand to hand, as it has consistently grown in market share while manufacturing its environment focus. Challenges. Despite its success, Tesla faced many challenges, including production delay, high competition, and over safety and quality issues. However, it commits to innovation and sustainability helps to stay ahead in rapid challenge market. Conclusion. Tesla is more than that just a car company. It also a symbol of innovation and the future. The mission to accelerate the transaction of sustainable energy has not only distributed the automotive industry but also inspired individuals and companies worldwide to think differently about energy and transportation. With its focus on technology and sustainability, Tesla continues to lead their way in a clean and a green future. Thank you.